Try this again. Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm just going to talk a minute about my whole home water filter. Now, I installed one of these and I made a video of it a little while back, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like after you replace it after 6 months. So I've had it here for, I guess, 7 months really. And this is the filter, and this one's made by Glacier Bay. I picked that one up from Home Depot, but they have these at all the different home centers. The brands, I haven't looked at the other brands. This one was like $70 Canadian. And then, of course, you had to buy your filter separate. And the filter, I think, was about $20, and it's an HDX high flow household pleated filter, right? So I just put in a new one, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like, what the old one looks like. And people say, you know, you don't really need a whole home filter. Well, look at this. Yeah, it's supposed to be white. It's still drippy and gross. But this is really brownish, rusty sort of color. And it's slimy. Really slimy and gross. Yeah. So, this is why you put in a whole home filter. You don't want to be drinking all that slime. You know, like water looks good and clear, you know, for most of the time, but there's other stuff in it. And that's why you use your water softener, and that's why you filter it out. So, yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys, because this is far grosser than I thought it was going to be. I really thought it was going to be much cleaner than this. I expected it to be dirty, yes, but not this dirty. So, yeah. Gross. The whole thing is full, too. Like, I'm glad I changed it. I really am. Look at that. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. So there's a lot of different kinds that you can get, a lot of reverse osmosis systems and all that stuff. You can actually buy those. You can install them yourself. They're not terribly hard to do. I didn't bother to do all that because I have my filter. My water softener has a filter in it, so it's got a secondary filter. And then our drinking water, we will filter through the fridge, and the fridge filter that gets replaced, I don't know, every couple of months or something. And right now with our house, we have an old fridge that's up there, so we're not going to use that in the old fridge, but when we redo the kitchen and get the new fridge, we're going to use that filter. Right now we're using a Brita, and it's a larger Brita, and it has replaceable filters. So yeah, do I believe in filtered water? Yeah, I do actually. And this is why I believe and filtered water. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good one.